In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about redoing my room, mainly from sustainable kind of stuff. This room I've had since about 7 years ago. I've got these really old blue curtains that I used to really like, but I don't want them anymore, so we got curtains from the op shop, but they're a little bit short, so we're gonna go buy some nice fabric to like sew onto the bottom to make it long and cool. I'm hoping to put some shelves in here and maybe get some plants, because plants are really cute and trendy. And yeah, so I'm going to be doing before and after. Yeah, okay, cool. See, the curtains are like too short for the window, so that's where our fabric shopping comes in. This is Mexican poncho. Ooh. I don't know, I like this one because like I like those ones too, but they're a bit too white. Like I want it to be darker so the light doesn't come through as much. And I like the pattern on this one because it's dark. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one at the end of my curtain. Alright guys, so we're back at home and we got the curtains, but I don't really trust myself to sew it because I'm clumsy and I 100% would stuff it up. So my mom's doing it. So yeah.
I finished the first one, so it's just on the floor over there.
This is the first curtain, guys. Looking pretty snaz. So, what we're gonna do on this wall, because it's empty and every wall has something on it, except for this one. I have 2 of these shelves, and we're gonna put them like here-ish. And then we're going to put some cute plants in them. Or we're going to put like hooks on the bottom so we hang things down. Or is it?
See.
I don't know. We're just, yeah. But we only have 2, and to fill it we kind of need 3. So we're going to go to Kmart and buy another one. Okay, so we're at Kmart.
And we're going in.
This is the shelf that we're gonna get for my room. So, finished making the shelf, and I found out that I'm really not good at making shelves. Here are the shelves. And now we're going to go get a drill so that we can put it up on the wall. And then we're going to buy some plants and we're going to put some books in there. And it's going to be really cute. It's going to look really good. So yeah. Okay, so Mom's going to get another drill head because it wasn't right. It wasn't the right type of drill head. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're back and we just finished up putting all 3 shelves. And I put some books in it, so this is what they look like. I'm gonna put some plants in them. It's gonna be cool. And there's the curtains. And so, yeah, when I finally get my room cleaned, I'm gonna do a room tour video. So please stay tuned for that video. That will be coming soon. Also, please remember to leave a like and a comment down below and subscribe and press the bell button so that you get a little notification every time we post. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!